We got the 2020 BMW 335. The customer just got it straight pipe, guys. Oh my God, it's a 535? I said 335. My bad, it's a 535. I fucked that one up. First things first, Jay, pull it around. Guys, check this out. Don't be doing this. Don't be doing this. I don't even know if the customer knows, but bro, go get your tire fixed before you come get exhaust work. Cool car though. All right, so this is where we did the work right here. Took out that resonator right in the middle, guys. Stock downpipe. In the back over here, we did the muffler delete. Remove the mufflers. The customer didn't want any tips. Therefore, we just reinstalled the stock tips. But if you want, you can go on gexhaust.com, wherever you're at, order the tips that we have. We'll ship them right to your door, and you could go to your local exhaust shop and they could weld them on for you real quick. Guys, check out the links in the description. We have merch at muffed.com. We're also franchising. So if you want to own a profitable business, super high profit margins, a very awesome training program, basically a turnkey operation, money printer, go check it out. We'll send you a franchise packet. All right, cool. Let's hear this.
Yeah.